just would like to give my testimony before I go into Because He Lives. Back in 2014, I had a lady to not stop at a stop sign, and she ran into me on my way home from work. The wreck sent me through 4 lanes of oncoming traffic, and I was praying all the way across the road. But when I got to the other side, I knew that God had his hand on me. Several weeks later, I went before a doctor. They had done a CAT scan and everything, and I sat down before this doctor, and this doctor told me, "You should not be here before me today." And I said, "What do you mean?" And he said, "You should have died in that wreck." It messed my neck up. I had 2 surgeries on my neck. I've had 1 back surgery. And this song, Because He Lives, I know he brought me through it. I know it was his hand upon me. And he has a purpose for me. He has been so good to me. Words can't describe how I feel about my Savior. And I just wanted to give my testimony. Maybe somebody needs to hear it. Maybe somebody needs to know that Christ is there for them. All they have to do is ask him. All they have to do is cry. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. Because I know he holds the future, and life is worth the living just because he